आपकी खूब और का बातें से टीवी sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakrdob ying jongpi.
Menteri Rangba Jela Ukonrad ke Sangma haka Praterik Urisau Arjar Arpusau ula lejngo ya jaka bala tep ya ki hinyongut ki breu ki mana gajo ka ying. Kini kila doe ya la jong jing im hadien bagila syak tep im ha jing tua jong ka khendau ha shnong atisa songmong ka bahab hapo ka gasau para. Hagani gajo ka sngi Menteri Rangba ula shong jing ya langru bad ki borsen shar jong ka South Garo Hills District ha shnong Dimapara Banyater ya thai sani ha bayadei bad ka jingpen poi ya ki marba mardi shakilanot. Hagajo kapor Menteri Rangba ula lejngo daladi ya ki jingsha penjulor ha ka jingslei bad ya ki jingtua khendau hapo ka district. Hado South Hotli ki shnong gila shakta ha ki lightly ki block na ka jingther jong labba ubajur ha gini ki kindiat sngi ha ka ba 8000 sanspa shipholngut ki breu na ki sauspa nrepu artli ki longyeng kilamat ya ki jingja basngosi. Menteri Rangba ula banjur ru ya ki Borsenshire District bakin tauno daga flood management bad ya ka flood survey banyada na ka jingdo e jong mensim breu bad ki jingdon jing em. Na Dimapara Menteri Rangba ula lejru syaka shnong atisia songmong bad yait kumba argenta ban poi syaka jaka balaja ka jingtua khendau ka bala tep im ya ki hinyongut ki breu na ka jo ka ying. Hagani higa sngi Menteri Rangba ula IT ka song pisa syagi bahiyang hasem jonggi lanot balasya tep im haga khendau.
Aru iran negara kebun ucapkan ya langsung negara kat maru. Ya agak mana nih jingga ini dongnya sebenarnya. Dengan bisa kuat itu mana bapak demi sabun namong koni. Unusa? Sabtaha.
Today, along with the local MLAs and officials, including our deputy commissioners and BDOs and other officials, we have visited West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills, and there's a lot of devastation that has taken place. We tried to cover most of the areas, but today mostly we covered the families and met the family members of those individuals who lost their lives, and gave our support to them in whatever way possible, including financial assistance that we could give from our side. It is a great loss for them, and we cannot make up for the loss. But as a government, we have done whatever little we could do and to support them in these difficult times. At the same time, we reviewed the overall situation in terms of the relief work that is going on, and in the process we have seen that most of the general relief has been given. The houses that have been damaged, we have assessed them, and we should be able to give them relief and financial support very soon. At the same time, the power connectivity also has been restored in most of the villages. The road connectivity also to a large extent has been restored. So we are slowly and steadily seeing that normalcy is returning, but of course a lot of damage has been done, and it will take some time for us to completely bring everything back to normal. But we are here to show our support for the different families who are affected by this flood, which is quite unprecedented in nature. I was speaking to the elders here and even to our MLAs, and they were sharing that they have not seen this kind of rain and flood in decades in this region. So I will continue my tour tomorrow also. I plan to visit some parts of Chokpot area and other parts of South Garo Hills to see and to ensure that people are getting enough support during these difficult times.
Long ni senior officer rang dalo na ismang niya songona nga dalo sokpaha dalo ya obosa ni gaman ismang may ko ba janak ng ska udi nga may na chief minister ba salanti dere bana smanjawa.
So we are here in Chaipani. A whole day we have been traveling all over West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills. This is one major connection along the border, which is very critical, of course, for the people living in this area. And like this, many such bridges have been damaged, and we are assessing the situation, and hopefully we should be able to take up most of these bridges in a fast manner so that we can get the connectivity back again. So there will be many such bridges all over Meghalaya, which again this was one of the timber bridges that was there. So our target is to completely transform and remove these timber bridges, and that work of course has started, but these are one of the bridges which were left. So we'll be working on making this also building up a new bridge out here. So like that we'll be working and starting the process of completely changing all the wooden bridges into permanent bridges, either RCC or Bailey Bridge.